Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best summer fun is probably one of the most anticipated times of the year for both children and parents, offering a golden opportunity to step away from screens and dive into a world of imagination, exploration, and active play, making those long, sunny days truly unforgettable with a plethora of engaging activities designed to spark joy and create lasting memories. Number 5. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this awesome sprinkler pool. With a spacious surface area, this splash mat is big enough for the whole family to enjoy. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep everyone cool and safe with its shallow wading depth and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's free from harmful chemicals, so you can have fun without any worries. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. Its heavy-duty design is crafted for splashing paws, ensuring tails will be wagging with excitement. To ensure maximum lifespan and endless summer fun, we recommend trimming your pup's nails before use and placing it on a smooth surface free of sharp objects. We are committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied or need assistance, contact our friendly team for a quick solution. What we like? Looking for a way to keep everyone cool and entertained this summer? This extra-large splash pad offers a non-slip surface for safety and is even big enough for your furry friends. If you have toddlers, young children, or pets and want a safe, spacious way for them to beat the heat, this is the perfect choice for backyard fun. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up, making it convenient for parents. It offers a variety of engaging activities that keep children entertained for hours. The design is durable and safe, ensuring it can withstand active play. Number 4. Hapinest Find and Seek Scavenger Hunt Card Game. Get ready for an exciting scavenger hunt adventure. This game is perfect for sparking curiosity and encouraging exploration, no matter where you are. Designed for ages 3 and up, it's incredibly easy to play. With beautifully illustrated cards, it offers endless fun for both indoor and outdoor activities. Each card invites kids to discover new things in their environment. It's a fantastic way to enhance observational skills while having a blast. This game is ideal for travel, road trips, and family outings. It fits neatly into its drawstring bag, making it the perfect card game to keep everyone entertained. Whether for toddlers, preschoolers, or older kids, it promotes active play. It's a wonderful way for children to interact with the world around them. This game is crafted to spark curiosity and promote active play. It encourages kids to explore their surroundings, turning every game into a unique adventure. What we like? Need a fun and educational activity that travels well? This scavenger hunt card game is perfect for ages 3 and up, encouraging kids to explore their surroundings and boost their observational skills. If you're looking for a screen-free way to entertain your children on road trips, camping, or even just around the house, this versatile game is an excellent option. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and use. My kids love playing with it, and it keeps them entertained for hours. The design is sturdy and durable, perfect for outdoor play. Number 3. SunGemmers Suncatcher Kits for Kids. Unleash your creativity with our SunGemmers Suncatcher Kits. This kit includes everything you need to create beautiful, sparkling window art. It's a fun and mess-free way to make colorful decorations. Watch your child's confidence grow as they design their own unique sun catchers. The easy-to-follow guides help them express themselves and feel proud of their colorful creations. This craft kit is designed to help develop fine motor skills and color matching. It's a perfect way for kids to learn and grow while having fun with hands-on activities. Say goodbye to messy paints and glues. Our kits use a simple peel and stick gem system, making crafting clean and enjoyable. It's stress-free fun for everyone. Once they're finished, kids can proudly display their artwork on windows or mirrors. These sparkling creations add a touch of magic to any room. Lightweight and portable, this kit is ideal for travel or as a gift. It's a great way to keep kids entertained on the go or during quiet afternoons. What we like? Searching for a creative and stress-free craft for your child? This Suncatcher kit provides a mess-free, peel-and-stick activity that helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. If you have a child who loves colorful, hands-on projects and you want a satisfying, displayable result without the cleanup, this is a wonderful gift idea. What people say. The product is designed with vibrant colors and engaging illustrations that capture children's attention. It offers a variety of activities that cater to different age groups and skill levels, ensuring continuous engagement. The materials used are durable and safe for children, making it a long-lasting and reliable choice for summer fun. Number 2. Duckura Pop-Pass-Catch Ball Game. Bring the fun outdoors with this exciting game. It's perfect for backyard play, camping trips, or a day at the beach, offering hours of active enjoyment for everyone. Looking for fun Easter activities? This set is a must-have for outdoor play, making it a great addition to holiday gatherings and celebrations, whether you're inside or out. Designed for easy play, you simply hold the launcher, press the trigger to launch, and catch with the basket. It's a fantastic activity for family bonding or friendly competition. More than just a game, it helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and teamwork. It's a great way to get active, engaged, and build confidence. This complete set includes everything you need for hours of family-friendly fun. It comes in a colorful, gift-ready box, making it the perfect present for any occasion. What we like? Want to get the kids moving and having a blast outdoors? This Pop-Pass-Catch Ball game is designed for active play, helping to develop hand-eye coordination and teamwork. If you're looking for a fun game for backyard play, beach trips, or family gatherings that kids of various ages can enjoy together, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. This is a great set of summer activities for kids. It has a variety of crafts, games, and experiments that are perfect for keeping children entertained during the summer months. The activities are easy to follow and require minimal adult supervision, which is a huge plus for busy parents. My kids love the science experiments and the outdoor games. The set includes all the necessary materials for each activity, so you don't have to worry about running out of supplies. The instructions are clear and concise, making it easy for kids to complete the projects independently. Number 1. NewFamily Dustless Chalk with Holder. Introducing our new chalk set, designed with little hands in mind. Each stick comes with an easy grip holder, making drawing and learning a cleaner experience. This chalk is perfect for chalkboards, blackboards, and even paper. For the best results on smooth surfaces, a simple wipe with a damp cloth is all you need. Unleash creativity with 12 bright colors. This set is ideal for drawing, classroom activities, homeschool lessons, and fun family art time. Our special low dust formula helps keep the air cleaner during art time. It's designed to be safer and less messy for kids, parents, and teachers alike. While great for many surfaces, it's not recommended for rough outdoor areas like concrete or brick. Always test on a small, inconspicuous area first, especially for outdoor use. What we like? Tired of messy art supplies? This dustless chalk set comes with an easy grip holder, making drawing and writing much cleaner for little hands. If you're looking for a non-toxic, low-dust chalk option for chalkboards, easels, or home art projects that minimizes airborne dust and mess, this is an ideal choice for creative fun. What people say. This is a great set of summer activities for kids. It includes a variety of crafts, games, and experiments that are perfect for keeping children entertained during the summer months. The activities are easy to follow and require minimal adult supervision, making it a great option for busy parents. The materials needed for each activity are readily available and inexpensive. My kids love the variety of activities included in this set. They enjoyed the crafts, games, and experiments, and were engaged for hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.